So, you want to make a video. Hi, I'm Bobby.
And I'm Angelina.
And we're going to show you how. Before we start, a quick reminder for you to give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making videos. Content, cameras, microphones, lighting, backdrops, green screen. It's easier than you think. Today, we're going to look at microphones. Sound quality is a crucial aspect of your content, but it doesn't have to cost you a fortune. The SM7B is a good microphone. Rode microphones are highly rated. So are Audio-Technica. Blue microphones are a tried and tested favourite. Which one to choose? How much to spend? A good microphone can set you back hundreds. The Takstar SGC-598 is an adequate contender. It's versatile too. It can be mounted on a camera, and it'll only set you back £20. The Tonor USB condenser microphone? How good can a £10 mic be? For the answer, check out my microphone comparison video, where I'll be comparing a Tonor USB condenser microphone with a Takstar SGC-598 and a Blue Yeti. For now, we'll stick with a fan favourite, the Blue Yeti. A Blue Yeti can cost between £100 and £120. But on eBay, wait, what's that? Someone's having a laugh. Money-grabbing muppets aside, on eBay, you'll even find them listed as faulty for parts or spares and repairs, and for as little as £10. That's right, a Blue Yeti for a tenner. But what use is a broken microphone? Well, here are a few I picked up, and here's how I fix them. First, I suggest you get one of these, a silicone mat. Silicone mats are good for whatever you're working on. You might already have one in the kitchen. If not, you can pick one up really cheap on eBay. Silicone mats prevent abrasion, they give thermal and electrostatic protection, and they're good for storing small parts like screws. On to the fix. The Blue Yeti is a sturdy studio microphone. Its weak point is the same as with any smartphone or computer, its USB port. With repeated plugging, unplugging and tugging, the port can eventually fail. That said, replacing the port is easier than you think. You can pick up a replacement port on eBay. Check to see whether you need one with 2 legs or with 4 legs. Desolder the old port and solder in the new. If you're not sure about soldering, check out my video on Blue Yeti USB port replacement. And you're done. A Blue Yeti to go. The Blue Yeti is a great choice. Better still, you can get them really cheap and they're really easy to repair. In fact, right now, you're listening to me through one I repaired earlier. Whichever mic you choose, you'll still need to deal with reverb and ambient noise. Check out my videos on studio sound paneling and audio editing. There are more on video editing, cameras, lighting and backdrops too. If you like this video, and I hope you did, be sure to give us a like and don't just subscribe but ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future tips, tricks and tutorials. Good luck with the microphone and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep creative.